Welcome back. In this video, I'll walk you through the home screen of the Easy Manage Mobile Pro app and explain the key widgets and icons that help you manage your tasks efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your Easy Manage Mobile Pro app. Sign in using your username and your password and simply tap Login. Once you're logged in, you'll see several widgets and icons that provide quick access to important features. Let's go through them one by one. First, we have the Recent Worksheet widget. This allows you to view worksheets from the past 2 weeks, helping you keep track of your most recent activity. Next is the Recent Time Entries widget. This shows your recorded work hours from the last 2 weeks, giving you a clear view of the time you've logged. This feature helps ensure accuracy in tracking your work schedule. Next one is Pending Orders widget. This helps you manage your order status. It displays orders that have been entered but have not yet been shipped. This way you can easily track pending deliveries and follow up when needed. Now let's talk about the Overdue Stores widget. This highlights stores that need servicing, making it easier to prioritize overdue tasks. If a store requires attention, you'll be able to spot it right away and take action. Now that we've covered the home screen widgets, let's take a closer look at the icons in Easy Manage Pro Mobile and how they help you navigate the app efficiently. These icons provide quick access to key features, making it easier to manage your tasks, track reports, and stay organized. First, we have the Stores icon. This gives you access to individual stores. You can either add a store to a worksheet or open the store submenu for more options and details. Also, the three-dot menu on the Customer section opens the Customer submenu, where you can access more options for managing customer details. We'll dive deeper into this in our next video, so stay tuned. Next is Easy Manage's built-in calendar. Tap the calendar icon to access your schedule at a glance, easily tracking deadlines, meetings, and reminders, all in one place. Need to schedule something? Just tap a date, enter details, and set a reminder. Managing your time has never been easier. Plans change? No problem. Edit or reschedule tasks anytime and get timely reminders so you never miss a thing. Similarly, the messaging icon is also coming soon. This feature will enhance communication within the app, making collaboration even easier. Now let's talk about the Reports icon. This allows you to review your time worked, organized by worksheet. If you ever need to check your work history, this is the place to go. With the Expenses icon, you can log necessary expenses related to your work. Just remember that all expenses must be approved before they are processed. With the Tasks icon, you can easily create tasks or tickets for specific stores, making it simple to track assignments and stay on top of important tasks. And to access the settings, tap on the 3 lines located in the upper right corner of the home screen. This will take you to the User Settings menu, where you can manage different aspects of your account. In the Profile section, you can view your account details, such as your name, email, cell phone number, and address. This is where you can make any necessary updates if allowed by your admin. In the Settings section, if you prefer using the app in a different language, you can update it in the Language Settings section. Simply select the language that works best for you and the app will adjust accordingly. You can customize your dashboard widgets to keep important information at your fingertips. Add widgets like Recent Worksheets to track past work, Recent Time Entries to monitor logged hours, Pending Orders to check unshipped orders, and Overdue Stores to stay on top of service needs. Set Home Location feature lets you define your primary work location for accurate check-ins and location-based updates. If you wish to switch accounts, simply tap the Switch Account button. Enter a new activation code provided by your manager. This will allow you to set up and access a different account seamlessly. When you're done using the app, you can log out by tapping the Log Out button at the bottom of the Settings menu. This ensures your account stays secure when you're not actively using the app. And it will lead you to the Login section of the app. And that's it. Now that you're familiar with the icons and their functions, navigating Easy Manage Pro Mobile will be even smoother. These tools help you manage your stores, reports, expenses, and tasks more effectively. And also, keep in mind that not all widgets and icons may be available to every user. Your access depends on your role and permissions within the system. At Easy Manage Pro, we understand that every business has unique needs. If EMP doesn't have a feature you require, we offer customization options to tailor the platform to your workflow. You can either submit a feature request for review or opt for paid custom development to get the functionality you need. Whether it's automating a process, integrating with another system, or adding new tools, we're here to help enhance EMP to fit your business. Let us know what you need and we'll make it happen. And that's a quick tour of the home screen in Easy Manage Pro Mobile. Understanding these widgets and icons will help you navigate the app more efficiently. Stay tuned for our next video where I'll walk you through creating and managing worksheets within the app. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.